Hello and welcome to another Dreamdrop system video. KEROYO'S original character, Para, a character you daydream about. Plushie Para, plushie character you daydream about. Paroxysm, daydream world. Object sentience, belief that objects are alive. POSIC, acronym standing for perception of object sentience, individuality, and consciousness, aka the belief objects are sentient. This video is the PlushieOC Para introduction. Meet the KEROYO'S. We have 3 siblings, oldest to youngest. There's Froggie, Lettuce, and Paddles. Let's get started. 1. Froggie KEROYO. Froggie is AFAB non-binary. They use he, they, lit pronouns. Froggie is a Build-A-Bear spring green frog plushie. They are age-stunted young adult. They are a high support, needs autistic with a lot of verbal loss. They are an AAC user. They are constantly stimming. Froggie, Lettuce, and Paddle's parents are abusive and they got taken away from them due to neglect and abuse. When Froggie turned 18, Lettuce was 8 and Paddles was 5. They were welcomed into Dreamer's care, accompanying paracosms that help and support any disabled creature. Froggie has a green aura. They are a music and fashion lover, fashion being one of their special interests. Froggie has providers and caregivers to help them cause they need help with pretty much everything, to using the bathroom to getting dressed. From shopping to finances, they need help 24/7. Froggie loves his little sibs. It has a 3-etus while maintaining a healthy weight. They struggle with a freezing pica and anorexia. Next is Lettuce. Lettuce KEROYO. It is a Build-A-Bear, but he's green spring frog. They are AFAB non-binary. A gender, their pronouns are they, lit. Lettuce is Etherean/otherkin. They identify as a plush ball. They always knew they were evolved. They wear evolve gear often. They deal with species dysphoria. Lettuce is the older kid. It's a trans youth. They are mid-support, needs autistic. They are nonverbal, non-speaking. They are a AC user. They have a caregiver just like Froggie. They are a savant with language and animals. They read college level while being a child. Milkshake is their best friend. They are platonically together. Milkshakes is Lettuce's childhood friend and support Lettuce, and Lettuce supports them. Lettuce loves their siblings Froggie and Paddles. Last is Paddles. 3. Paddles. She is a Build-A-Bear mini bean spring green frog plushie. Her nicknames are Paddle, Pad, and P. Paddles is a trans girl. She has trans youth. She uses she, her pronouns. Paddles is a young child. Paddles is a high support, needs autistic. She have a lot of verbal loss and is an AAC user. She shy. She loves to coloring. She owns 100 plus coloring books. She maladaptive daydreaming and dissociates. She loves Japanese fashion. Paddles has caregivers just like her older siblings. She needs support 24/7 like Froggie, but they even need help to eat and things like that. Paddles looks up to and loves their older siblings, Froggie and Lettuce. They are all special to us and we love daydreaming about their stories. They are autistic siblings. They all have caregivers and get support. They love each other. They're also each other's support. Dreamers care takes care of them well. That's it. 3 plushie paras OCs in one video. Love them so much. They're emotional support stuffed animals. They are good plushies. They are good companions. They're good for daydreaming. Thank you for watching. Who would you like to be introduced next? Don't forget to drink water. Now, a picture and art dump. Froggie by Shane. Froggie, Nightly, Cheese, and Dango. US with Froggie. Paulette and Froggie out in the world. Providers nearby art by Nico. Paulette, Wallace and Froggie's body references done by Nico. Froggie with our headphones. Froggie stimming art by Shane. Froggie with our AAC. Lettuce with the Pochi app by Shane. Lettuce the Volf, art by Pip. Lettuce and Milkshake with our AC. Lettuce and its Lil Sis Paddles, art by Andy. Paddles with our mom's dog ... Like, comment, and subscribe. Dreamdrop system out.